Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best travel suitcases? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best travel suitcases of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Jufuel Small Pudding Waffle Pencil Knife. The Jufuel Small Pudding Waffle Pencil Knife is a versatile and compact tool designed for various outdoor and everyday tasks. It features a SK2H stainless steel blade known for its sharpness and durability, making it ideal for tactical use, camping, hunting, and everyday carry, etc. The blade is housed in a handle made of titanium, which ensures both strength and lightweight performance. A unique aspect of this knife is its internal magnet, which adds a practical element by allowing for secure storage or attachment of small metallic objects. The knife's design includes a waffle pattern on the handle, enhancing grip and comfort during use. This knife combines functionality with a sleek design, making it a reliable choice for those needing a high-performance cutting tool in their gear. Product 2. Product name: Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove. The Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove is a high-performance outdoor cooking system designed for avid hikers and campers. This compact and efficient stove features a heat exchanger pot bowl, which significantly improves fuel efficiency by reducing heat loss and ensuring even cooking. Key features of the Fire Maple Star X1 include stove and heat exchanger pot. The stove comes with an integrated heat exchanger pot that maximizes heat transfer and minimizes cooking time. This design allows the stove to heat up quickly and use less fuel, making it ideal for long hikes where conserving fuel is crucial. Portable and lightweight. Weighing in at just a few ounces, the Fire Maple Star X1 is easy to carry and set up. Its compact design ensures it fits comfortably in a backpack, making it a great choice for backpackers and campers who need to save space and weight. Gas burners. The stove uses a reliable gas burner system that provides consistent and adjustable heat. This makes it versatile for various cooking tasks, from boiling water to simmering meals. Product 3. Product name: Survival Kit Thermal Blanket. The Survival Kit Thermal Blanket is an essential item for any outdoor adventure or emergency preparedness. Designed for versatility and functionality, this thermal blanket is a key component of a survival kit, offering multiple benefits for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Key features: reusable and portable. The blanket is designed for repeated use, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Its compact and lightweight nature ensures easy portability, fitting conveniently into backpacks or emergency kits. Emergency sleeping bag. It can double as an emergency sleeping bag, providing crucial warmth in cold weather. This is especially beneficial in survival scenarios where maintaining body heat is critical. Waterproof. The blanket is made from waterproof material, which helps keep users dry and protected from the elements. This feature is particularly useful in wet or damp conditions, ensuring that the blanket remains effective even in challenging environments. Product 4. Product name: Rhino First Aid Survival Kit. The Rhino First Aid Survival Kit is a comprehensive and essential resource designed for emergency situations, particularly useful for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and survival scenarios. This kit is supplied with a variety of items tailored to address a wide range of medical needs in critical moments. Overview. Content. The kit includes 20 specialized EMT, emergency medical technician, items. These items cover basic first aid requirements and more advanced medical needs, making it versatile for different types of emergencies. IFAK pouch. The kit is packaged in an IFAK, individual first aid kit, pouch, known for its durable and compact design. This allows for easy carrying and quick access in urgent situations. Purpose. It is particularly suited for outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable and well-organized first aid kit to handle injuries or health issues that might arise during activities such as camping, hiking, or other adventures. Product 5. Product name: Mall Backpack Buckle Carabiner Clips. Mall Backpack Buckle Carabiner Clips are versatile and practical tools designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. These clips, available in sets of 1, 2, or 5 pieces, are crafted from durable nylon, ensuring strength and reliability in various conditions. They are particularly useful for securing gear and accessories to mall-compatible backpacks, providing a convenient way to attach items like water bottles, tactical pouches, or small tools. Key features include durable construction. Made from high-quality nylon, these carabiner clips are built to withstand rough use and adverse weather conditions. Versatile attachment. Ideal for mall systems, these clips can be used to enhance the functionality of camping backpacks, tactical gear, and survival kits. Product 6. Product name: folding knives and scissors. Folding knives and scissors that double as multi-tools are versatile and practical tools for a wide range of activities, from everyday carry, EDC, to outdoor adventures. These multi-tool folding knives typically combine a sharp blade with additional functions, making them invaluable for tasks such as cutting, slicing, and even handling small DIY projects. Key features: multifunctionality. These tools often integrate various functions such as cutting blades, scissors, pliers, and even small screwdrivers. This versatility is especially useful in outdoor settings like camping, fishing, or survival scenarios where space and weight are limited. Compact and portable. Designed to fold into a compact form, these tools are easy to carry in a pocket or backpack, making them a convenient choice for on-the-go use. The folding mechanism ensures safety by protecting the blade and other tools when not in use. Product 7. Product name: a military compass. A military compass is a vital piece of outdoor survival gear, designed for precise navigation in challenging environments. It typically features a rugged construction to withstand harsh conditions, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and geological exploration. Unlike standard compasses, a military compass often includes additional features such as a luminous dial for low-light conditions, a sighting mirror for accurate bearings, and a sturdy, water-resistant case. In the context of outdoor activities such as hiking or camping, a military compass provides reliable navigation and helps users orient themselves even in unfamiliar terrains. It's a crucial tool for ensuring safe and efficient travel, especially when electronic devices might fail or run out of battery.